Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. I am craving some pie. So today's recipe, I'm going to share with y'all a Southern classic pie. We're going to make an updated version of my buttermilk pie. And if y'all not familiar with buttermilk pie, it's similar to chess pie. It's the custard base made with buttermilk, sugar, and butter. My friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect for the holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, or any time of the year. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more pie recipes, check out my pie recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Pineapple Casserole. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your pie crust, your butter, and your buttermilk sugar, because we're about to bake some buttermilk pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! All right, my friends, in my large bowl, we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. Using my electric hand mixer, we're going to beat those on medium speed until they frothy. All right, my friends, our eggs are nice and frothy. See how it changed from a dark yellow to a light yellow? That's exactly what we want. So into our eggs, we're going to add in a half a cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and it's soft to room temperature. Next, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and the flour will help bind everything together, and 1.5 cups of white sugar. And mix everything together until they well combine. Again, my speed is on medium. All right, my friends, I am through mixing my ingredients, and we don't need the mixer anymore. See how smooth, creamy, and whipped that is? That looks great. Now it's time to add in our last few ingredients. 1/8 of a teaspoon of fresh nutmeg, and make sure you use fresh and not the pre-ground. Really makes a difference. It will give it a nice warmth to it. Just eyeball it. 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure vanilla extract. Next is a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract. Give it a little bit more oomph to it, but just a little bit. It's very strong. A little goes a long way. For freshness and brightness, we're going to add in a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. That's half of a large lemon. And last, but certainly not least, the buttermilk. Going to add in 1 cup of full-fat buttermilk at room temperature. And I recommend using a good quality brand instead of making it homemade. It will give it a great texture. And we're just going to fold them in. I can smell the lemon juice, the nutmeg, and the almond and vanilla. All right, as soon as I get through folding everything in, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, and just that quickly, our filling is done. I know it looked curdled, but it's all good. Once it bakes, it'll be nice and smooth. We are ready to pour the filling into our pie crust. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch pie shell, and this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post the link to that recipe down in the description box below, or you can use a refrigerated or a frozen deep dish. If using the frozen deep dish, make sure you thaw it. I forgot to mention the crust is unbaked. Alrighty, now we are ready to put this gorgeous pie in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let it bake for 1 hour. And I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I have taken my pie out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown it is? Now, this is the important step right here. You don't want to dig in right away. We're going to let it rest for 1 hour so it can set and firm up. I'll see you then. All right, my friends, it's been 1 hour, and you see how the filling went from puff up to flat down? That means it's nice and set. There you have it, Southern buttermilk pie. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to cut me up a slice and give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got me a great big southern slice right here on my plate, and I'm serving it with some homemade whipped cream. I'll post the link to that recipe down in the description box below. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. The crust is perfectly cooked. The custard is super creamy. I love that freshness from the lemon juice. I could taste a little hint of nutmeg. Super flavorful. This buttermilk pie is phenomenal, my friends. Nothing like old, classic Southern recipes. Please give this a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm gonna grab me some whipped cream. Yum-o. Buttermilk pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.